Galapathy has been named the first suspect, Mudit Jayakodi as the second suspect, former Minister Basil Rajapaksa as the third suspect, and Ayomi Galapathy, his wife's sister, as the fourth suspect. When the case was taken up in court, Deputy Solicitor General Lakshmi Girihagama submitted further documentation and stated that due to the risk of the third suspect Basil Rajapaksa evading court, a warrant should be issued against him despite being released on bail.
Your Honour, today suspects 1 and 2 are present before the court in connection with this case. The third suspect, Basil Rajapaksa, is not present today. However, his bail guarantors are here. The period granted by this court on the 18th of September 2024 for the third suspect to travel abroad has now ended. According to the bail order issued on the 30th of July 2016, he is required to appear before court today. If his attorney fails to present a valid reason for his absence, I request that a warrant be issued against the suspect.
President's counsel Anil Silva, representing Basil Rajapaksa, stated that his client was unable to attend due to a sudden accident.
Your Honour, my client had booked flight tickets to return to Sri Lanka on the 18th and 19th May. However, he suffered an accident after falling from a chair and is currently dealing with nerve damage in his head and neck. He is undergoing treatment. I am submitting the relevant medical reports to court. According to these reports, the attending doctor has advised that air travel is not suitable for my client at this time. He has not intentionally avoided court appearances. He only travelled abroad with court permission. He will appear on the next court date. Therefore, there is no need to cancel his bail or issue a warrant.
Responding to this, Deputy Solicitor General Lakshmi Girihagama stated that the court has not been properly informed in advance regarding the suspect's medical condition, and under Section 14(1) of the Bail Act, appropriate documentation must be submitted.
Your Honour, the President's counsel representing the third suspect has submitted several documents to the court, including 2 medical reports. One of the reports is dated the 18th of March 2025. According to that report, the suspect is said to be suffering from arthritis due to poor posture. The doctor recommends 14 days of rest and immediate hospital admission if the condition worsens. However, there is no follow-up report confirming recovery after those 14 days. Additionally, another medical opinion submitted suggests that the suspect is unfit for air travel between the 15th of April and the 15th of October 2025 due to illness. These reports cannot be fully accepted. Moreover, if an investigation or trial is ongoing and the suspect fails to appear, the court has the authority to cancel bail and issue a warrant. The suspect, who travelled abroad with court permission, is now seemingly evading court using questionable medical documentation.
President's counsel Anil Silva, replying on behalf of Basil Rajapaksa, claimed that the Attorney General's department was targeting his client due to his link to the Rajapaksa family.
Your Honour, the Attorney General's department is acting improperly. They are targeting my client because he is a Rajapaksa. We have not misled any institution. Such conduct is disgraceful. What the Deputy Solicitor General is implying is essentially that my client is a fraud. My client has appeared in court over 23 times for this case. I'm not a medical expert. I don't know whether these medical reports are true or false, but I don't believe doctors in America are frauds either. It seems the Attorney General's department would only be satisfied if the Rajapaksas fell gravely ill and died. Whether good or bad, they are also Sri Lankans. My client couldn't attend today due to genuine illness. He will appear on the next court date. Therefore, there is no need to cancel his bail or issue a warrant.
Deputy Solicitor General Lakshmi Girihagama responded that the Attorney General's department does not act against individuals on a personal basis.
Your Honour, the Attorney General's department does not make decisions based on whether someone is a Rajapaksa or a Pereira. A suspect released on bail must appear in court on every date the case is called. That is the law. Your Honour must act according to the Code of Criminal Procedure. Please consider the facts and grant the requests I have made before this honourable court.
Considering all the facts presented, the magistrate said that there was no satisfactory evidence to conclude that the suspect was intentionally evading court at this time. The magistrate advised the guarantors and the attorney representing the suspect to ensure that the suspect is present at the next court hearing and scheduled the case to be called up again on the 21st of November.